Welcome, my name is an Alcatel 1S, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. Now as you can see, I do have a pattern set, and even though I know it, I'll progress from here as though I don't. So let's start off by turning off our device. And once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time, so let's do it right now. Now, it looks like we need to let go of the power key once the Alcatel logo shows up. And this will take us to the recovery mode. So in this mode you will want to use volume keys to navigate up and down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So using those volume keys, you want to select wipe data factory reset, confirm it with power, and select factory data reset. Give it a second. At the bottom we should see data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once more and this will initiate a reboot and continue the process in the background. Now this will take about 2 minutes to finish up, and once it has, we will then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.